updates now, as what we are learning further, that it is likely the opposition makes Prime Minister's UK visit an issue in the upcoming Parliament session of the monsoon of the day 3. Along with that, there is also a demand for the discussion in the House on the Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor. It is also likely that a protest takes place at Jantar Mantar on today and tomorrow following India bloc's uproar on Bihar voter revision issue. All right, Mehdi now in fact continues to stay with us. Mehdi, the opposition is also planning a massive protest. It is what we are learning. What more updates are you catching?
Well, definitely, Simran, there were several issues that was taken up in the all-party meeting also ahead of before rather the monsoon session, in which opposition made it very clear that they will be taking up eight key issues in the parliament session. So in that, opposition also said that PM Modi's visit to UK is also an issue in between of the monsoon session. And apart from that, opposition is, pressurizing the government to discuss the Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam attack in the parliament as well, due to which the first 2 days were completely filled with scuffle between the opposition and the government. And apart from that, the major, point of concern of the opposition is the Bihar voter revision issue, which is being taken up by not only the Congress party, but also, Aam Aadmi Party's MP Sanjay Singh also raised this issue in the parliament. And now it is expected today, Simran, that India bloc's will be uproaring on Bihar voter revision issue. And in view of that, protest can also happen at Jantar Mantar today and tomorrow. So indeed, we can say that opposition is in very attacking mode right now, and they are asking government the questions, and government is trying to, make opposition understand. And the speaker also tried to have a productive discussion in the monsoon session, but it didn't happen in the last 2 days. So it will be interesting to see that how the protest at the Jantar Mantar will turn out to be, because Bihar voter revision issue is one of the major issues that is being taken up by the opposition right now.
All right, Mehdi. Now, in fact, we also move forward. Continue to stay with us. Congress MP Manikam Tagore has submitted